Why would you consider reducing investment in a product? Choose the best option. When unrealized value is extremely low, when the current value is extremely low, when the current value is extremely high, when unrealized value is extremely high, or none of the above. The answer is when the unrealized value is extremely low. Remember, we covered this in the release planning lecture when we looked at the product lifecycle, and we know that once it's at maturity and it's starting to decline, the unrealized value is low and the current value is probably quite high and declining. The unrealized value is extremely low because the product is meeting all of the customer needs, and we know this from looking at the key value metrics for unrealized value. In other words, there's very little potential left to improve the product, so it's time to look into other products that can serve different customers or serve the same customers but completely different needs. In this situation, you want to reduce investment just to maintain the product because you're not going to be innovating it anymore. Simply because all of the customer needs are met, so there's very little value in adding any new innovation.